Ah! Holy shit. Hey, you shouldn't be driving like that. You could have killed somebody.
Pardon me?
You shouldn't have been driving like that. You could have killed somebody. You were going way too fast in this parking lot.
You know what, baby? I had to piss so bad.
That's crazy. You could have killed somebody. You need to fix yourself.
Pardon me, love.
Oh my God, are you okay? Oh my God, are you okay?
I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm good.
Holy, I didn't see you. Oh my God, are you okay?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Right down way to the water.
You f***ing idiot!
I see you. try, but I can't change my situation. 'Cause I love my joy. Yeah.
Well, that going into the air is disgusting.
I'll have to look that up and see what that is. Uh-oh.
We got you to 44. Saw you at 45, but I locked you in at 44. I'm a radar coming on the bridge, which is the post at 30. So already got your license, need the registration for prevention.
Start recording emergency video.
Here, right here on the right, you see this truck make an illegal U-turn, almost crashed right into me. I had to use my brake. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And I have my baby in the car. What do you think about this? You got this business name, phone number. What do you think about this commercial truck? Crazy driver.